Like and subscribe, The Facts Drone.
All 6,000 residents in this Polish village live on a single street. Imagine a village where the address of every resident is on the same lane. That is life for around 6,000 residents in this single street village called Sułoszowa in Kraków County, southern Poland. The aerial images of this beautiful and unusual village have gone viral, and people cannot stop being awestruck by its unique layout and colorful patterns. But are you wondering what life truly is within this unique settlement? And what's the reason behind its singular street? Let us take a look. Nicknamed Little Tuscany, the village boasts a rich history dating back to 1315. According to the historical records, Suloszowa's first ever mention can be found in a land grant from 1315 when the Polish king, the Władysław, handed over a forest region to Nicholas where Suloszowa now sits. In the 14th century, a king named Casimir III built a castle in Suloszowa to protect a trade route from Kraków to Silesia. The village itself was established in the 16th century by a Polish nobleman and army officer. Over the following centuries, Suloszowa underwent several changes in governance and ownership as different powers ruled the region. The Wielkopolski family gained control over the region in 1661. It then became part of Austria's domain in 1795. From 1815, the village became integrated into the Kingdom of Poland. After the Second World War, between 1950 and 1963, efforts were made to preserve and restore the castle in Suloszowa, as it was destroyed during the war. Following the renovation of the whole structure, the castle was designated as a branch of the Wawel State Art Collections. Today, the village, with such a rich history, attracts tourists with its charming landscapes, gorges, and hiking trails amid its historic buildings and structures. Suloszowa has carved out an identity as Little Tuscany by preserving its rural heritage and natural beauty over 7 centuries of change. Why does Suloszowa village only have a single street? Suloszowa is situated in Olkuska upland, less than 30 kilometers northwest of Kraków, Poland. The single-street village is also one of the longest linear villages in the country. This layout has its roots in historical factors when the limitations of transportation and road communication infrastructure made it more practical for people to reside along a single street. The single-road design provides each house with a dedicated strip of land. The residents have personalized their lands with gardens, livestock, and other diverse uses. As the land is used for different purposes, it has resulted in a vibrant display of colors. The village is surrounded by nature, featuring forests and fields that have gained global recognition as the field strips alongside the street resemble a leaf-like structure in drone pictures. A slow-paced, rural lifestyle is the norm for the residents in this single-street village. People live happily with a strong sense of community. They enjoy life, which is evident in events like Strawberry and Potato Days, where everyone gathers to taste new crops with live music. The locals lead a slow life, and they have no complaints about it. They like to relax by hanging out with friends after work. While Suloszowa is undeniably picturesque, its remoteness presents challenges. The lack of adequate transportation makes it difficult for people to reach places. Very few buses run, and taxis are non-existent, forcing many to walk long distances. Those who do catch buses often face overcrowding. However, basic amenities like a grocery store, clinic, and bank are at least within walking distance of the village. Although the village attracts tourists, its youngsters seek opportunities in larger cities. It could be because of a lack of appropriate settings for them. For example, there is no local pub for socializing in the evenings. The sole restaurant closes by 5 p.m., meaning those looking to hang out must travel around 10 kilometers to the next village. One of Poland's longest linear villages is experiencing a surge in tourism. Suloszowa has many attractions that are popular with both local residents and visitors. Tourists can explore Paiskowa Skała Castle, which was constructed in the 14th century by King Casimir III the Great. It sits atop a hill overlooking the surrounding landscape. A notable geological landmark is a limestone formation nicknamed the Bludgeon of Hercules that towers 98 feet high, offering scenic views. The village is also home to the fortifications along the Red Trail of the Eagle's Nest's historical route between Kraków and Częstochowa, which winds through terrain containing striking vistas, cliffs, and gorges. You can engage in recreational activities by exploring around 400 caves located within the surrounding mountains of the village.
Let's explore beauty of Sułoszowa village.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.